This section will explain the VS3's alarms and how to set alarm high and low limits. Alarms fall into one of three categories: low, medium, and high. In a low priority alarm, such as recorder door open, the background of the message area turns to blue, and the alarm tone sounds like this. A medium priority indicates a physiological condition that requires prompt attention. Medium alarms are most often triggered when the high or low limits of a measurement are violated. In a medium priority alarm, the background flashes yellow, and the alarm tone sounds like this. A high priority alarm indicates a situation requiring an immediate response from the clinician. High priority alarms include NBP overpressure, SpO2 desaturation, and extreme low battery. In a high priority alarm, the message appears in red and sounds like this. To silence an active alarm, press the alarm silence button. This alarm icon with the dotted lines indicates the audio alarm for this measurement is temporarily silenced. The pane will continue to flash until the alarm condition ceases. At the end of the time interval, if the alarm condition is still active, the monitor will re-alarm. To pause all audible alarms, press the alarm silence button twice. This silences all audible alarms for a preset interval. This banner indicates that all alarms are temporarily paused. To suspend all alarms indefinitely, press and hold the alarm silence button for 2 seconds. This audio off banner indicates that the user has turned off the alarms and that they will not sound again until the user turns them on again. To terminate the audio off, press the alarm silence button again. There are 2 ways to change alarm limits on the VS3 monitor: individually by measurement, accessed through that measurement's numeric, or by accessing all alarm limits using the alarm menu. In this section, we'll review the procedure using the alarm menu. Rotate the wheel to highlight the alarm's icon. Select it, and the alarm menu opens. Here are the current high and low alarm limits for all of the monitored parameters. Turn on Print on Alarm to generate a recording when a high or medium priority alarm occurs. Use Auto Set Alarm Limits to automatically set high and low alarm limits based on an individual patient's vital signs measurements. This option is only available in NBP interval mode or continuous SpO2 mode. Or if you prefer, you can set alarm limits manually for each of the measured parameters. To change one of the high or low limits, turn the wheel to highlight the desired limit and press it. Turn the wheel to change the limit and press it to accept the new value. To turn off the audio alarm for an individual measurement parameter, highlight the bell icon and select it. This icon with the solid lines appears here in this menu and in the numeric pane. If you turn off individual audio alarms, they remain off until you turn them back on. However, the visual indicator of an alarm, the flashing color background, remains active. To exit this menu, press the main screen button.